Behind the mess, still doing some stuff. Anyway, those are not hooked up anymore. I got to get them hooked up. So, and then here we are, all covered. Dual batteries in the back. And as you can tell from the pictures, I now have two Rockville DB14s to 10-inch K6s. And we are going to test this out. Let me get my door shut here real quick. Sorry about that. Okay. Don't mind the wind. Alright. Alright, so we are going to play, we're going to play Drew Barrymore featuring Well. Here we go.
You shiver, dig into my shoulder blades, feel it when you quiver. Higher level elevate, you could be the renegade, body through a glide. Harrison and Juliet, legends never die. With TV has some work to they just probably gotta show the game. We're too busy fucking on the sofa or the kitchen table. Is my vision hazy? Look like it's all famous, cause you're the next Drew Barry. To me, these rappers I devour. You send them my direction in the Santa Clara diet. I am not afraid of no one. You smoke that poison ivy, girl. I whip it, go the distance, and I kiss it cause they have it. Yeah, 50 birthdays, hit it then skate. Get up with a real one. Why you always fake? Yeah, I don't got no patience. I don't got no shame. I don't play no games. Cause if I like you, I'ma say it. Aggressive and I'm playful. That's a perfect balance, dude. I'm from where that's savvy. I don't choppers and
I think that sounds pretty good. Everything's set with the scope. Got, my Rockville mids and tweeds, or my mids. My tweets are all scars. I got some MB Court 3.5s in here. And I got a pair of Renegades. They sound pretty freaking good. Anyway, I'm happy.